morning. This is Dr. Behnam. We're joining one of our lovely patients here today. Welcome.
Hi.
This is one of our patients who has been using the topical finasteride minoxidil combination for the past 6 months, and this is his testimonial video. So welcome.
Thank you.
So first of all, please tell me, why did you start using this topical for to begin with?
Honestly, it's because I noticed that I had a lot of hair loss. I wanted to have some hair to cover up my head, and it was becoming a struggle to kind of hide it.
Okay. And prior to this, had you used anything else, like any oral Propecia or finasteride or any over-the-counter Rogaine? Anything else have you used?
No, I had tried some herbal remedies and things like that, but nothing really seemed to work.
Didn't really seem to work. Okay. So you started this topic about 6 months ago. Now, were you on anything else, or at the same time, like any oral Propecia or anything else?
No.
No, you weren't. Okay. So you're only exclusively using this R topical, right?
Yes, that's correct.
And how often were you using it?
Twice a day, about a milliliter a day.
A milliliter a day. Okay. And did you have any problems with it? Like, did you have like a lot of itching? Was it painful? What did you think about it?
I'd say it took a little bit of time to get used to take it every day.
Yes.
And to figure out a schedule, but other than that, it wasn't bad at all.
Okay. And once you applied on, were you able to do your hair any style you want? Was it easy to do that?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And okay, so you're using it twice a day every day. You did it for the past 6 months. When did you start noticing the hair growth?
Honestly, within the first 3 months-ish,
Okay.
I started to notice at least thicker hair,
Okay.
like that I had hair, and it wasn't falling out as often.
Okay.
And I'd say within 5 months I noticed significant, like people noticing it and saying good things.
Okay, so did people actually come up to you and say, hey, look, wow, you're looking good, you're looking different?
Absolutely, yeah.
Great. That must have been a great confidence booster. I love it.
Absolutely, yeah.
Can you show us how you looked before? Can you?
Yeah.
So this is basically how our patient looked before, basically. So he had a lot of thinning, basically, in this area right here. And now let's take a look right now. So this is basically how he looks, basically, right now. And this is, look, his actual hair. I'm actually going to comb it. Look, there's a lot of hair that was in here before. And all this hair has basically grown in the past 6 months. Let's take that photo one more time, actually. So again, so this is how he looked basically about 6 months ago. A lot of thinning in the frontal scalp, crown area. And let's look at it again one more time. And it's really, look at that. Like really totally like a lot of hair growth. And look, it's his natural hair. So, any problems with using a topical, you would say?
I noticed that my hair got a little bit sticky if I didn't work with it and rub it in a little bit.
Right.
And especially if I had long hair.
Okay.
But as long as I was washing it every day, roughly, it worked out pretty fine.
It worked out pretty fine. Okay. And why didn't you take the oral Propecia to begin with?
Honestly, just because it was a little bit expensive to begin,
Okay.
and I just wanted to see how this worked out and felt.
Okay.
And honestly, it worked out better than I thought.
And also oral Propecia has also risk of sexual side effects and
Yes.
things like that. Did you have any sexual side effects or any side effects associated with this one at all?
No, not at all.
And the reason is because the topical doesn't really get absorbed as much as the oral does, so that's why most patients don't have side effects.
Absolutely.
But look, I'm very happy, I'm very excited. Really, the difference is quite dramatic in 6 months. And I'm very excited, so thank you so for sharing this story with us. Would you recommend it to your friends and other people?
Absolutely, yeah. I think it works wonders. It's amazing.
Thank you for coming.
Absolutely.